Someone crying in the dead of the night. Was it me or was it just in my mind? Reaching deep into the soil I find, I'm storing awake a fury. Maybe I'm the only one who survives. Crawl out of the dark and into the light. As I turn my face and look to the sky, a tear in my eye is forming, shaking off all these heavy chains. Now I will find my own way. Turning the ground underneath me to show what I am. Pushing and breaking my way from the hand of the man. Nothing to fear me here now that I'm overgrown. When they try to lay me low, down into the dirt I go. But don't fight it, they were just giving me the very thing I would need. Try to tell me what I can and cannot do, to be and do not be, it'll drive me to the brink. Any dead-ended road, one step closer to home. Shaking off all those heavy chains. Now I will find my own way. Turning the ground underneath me to show what I am. Pushing and breaking my way from the hand of the man. Nothing to fear me here now that I'm
Subscribe.